Think like Elon Musk, 13 mindset hacks for wealth and success. Imagine a world where your wildest dreams aren't just dreams, but realities you actively shape. What if I told you that the key to unlocking this world lies not in your bank account, but in your mindset? Today, we're diving into the powerful wisdom of Elon Musk, a man who went from sleeping on office floors to revolutionizing entire industries. Get ready to uncover the secrets to a stronger mindset and a wealthier future, straight from the mind of one of the most innovative entrepreneurs of our time. 13. You shouldn't do things differently just because they're different. They need to be better. Musk advocates for meaningful innovation rather than change for the sake of change. The focus should be on improving and adding value, not just being different. This mindset encourages thoughtful and purposeful innovation, where you seek to solve real problems and create superior solutions. By prioritizing quality and effectiveness, you can develop products or services that truly stand out and meet the needs of your audience. Musk's approach to innovation, seen in his work with Tesla and SpaceX, emphasizes creating better, more efficient, and sustainable solutions rather than just novel ones. 12. People should pursue what they're passionate about. That will make them happier than pretty much anything else. This quote highlights the importance of passion in achieving fulfillment and success. Pursuing what you are passionate about not only makes you happier but also motivates you to work harder and persevere through challenges. Passion drives creativity and innovation, as you are more likely to invest time and effort into something you love. Musk's own career, driven by his passion for technology and space exploration, exemplifies how following your passions can lead to significant achievements and personal satisfaction. This mindset encourages individuals to align their work with their interests and values. 11. Constantly seek criticism. A well-thought-out critique of whatever you're doing is as valuable as gold. Musk emphasizes the importance of seeking and valuing constructive criticism. Feedback from others provides valuable insights and perspectives that you may not have considered. This mindset encourages continuous improvement and helps you identify areas for growth. By being open to criticism, you can refine your ideas, products, or services and make them better. This approach also fosters a culture of transparency and learning within your team. Musk's willingness to seek and act on feedback has played a crucial role in the success of his ventures, leading to higher quality and more innovative solutions. 10. The first step is to establish that something is possible, then probability will occur. Musk believes that the foundation of achieving any goal is first believing in its possibility. Once you establish that something can be done, you can then focus on the practical steps to make it happen. This mindset encourages setting ambitious goals and creating a clear vision. By breaking down seemingly impossible tasks into achievable steps, you increase the likelihood of success. This approach also fosters innovation and problem solving, as you find ways to overcome obstacles and turn possibilities into realities. Musk's work in pioneering space travel and electric vehicles showcases this principle in action. 9. If you're co-founder or CEO, you have to do all kinds of tasks you might not want to do. If you don't do your chores, the company won't succeed. No task is too menial. Musk's quote emphasizes the importance of humility and willingness to perform any necessary task for the success of your venture. As a leader, being involved in all aspects of the business, regardless of how mundane, demonstrates commitment and sets a positive example for your team. This approach fosters a collaborative and hard-working culture, where everyone contributes to the overall success. Musk's hands-on involvement in his companies, from detailed engineering work to high-level strategic decisions, illustrates the value of this mindset in building successful enterprises. 8. You want to be extra rigorous about making the best possible thing you can. Find everything that's wrong with it and fix it. This quote highlights the importance of striving for excellence and continuous improvement. Musk advocates for a rigorous approach to identifying and addressing flaws in your work. This mindset involves critical thinking, attention to detail, and a commitment to quality. By constantly refining and perfecting your product or service, you can deliver superior value and stand out in the market. This approach also fosters innovation, as you seek better solutions and improvements. Musk's meticulous attention to detail and high standards have been key factors in the success of his companies. 7. Don't be afraid of new arenas. Musk encourages embracing new opportunities and stepping outside of your comfort zone. Venturing into uncharted territories can lead to significant growth and innovation. This mindset involves being open to learning, adapting, and taking calculated risks. Exploring new areas can also uncover hidden talents and passions, leading to unexpected successes. Musk's ventures into various industries, from electric vehicles to space travel and artificial intelligence, demonstrate the benefits of this approach. By not fearing new arenas, you can discover groundbreaking ideas and create value in ways you never imagined. 6. If you get up in the morning and think the future is going to be better, it is a bright day. Otherwise, it's not. This quote emphasizes the power of optimism and a positive mindset. Believing in a better future can significantly impact your motivation, productivity, and overall well-being. This optimistic outlook helps you navigate challenges with a sense of purpose and hope, making it easier to stay focused on your goals. Elon Musk's vision for a sustainable future with renewable energy and space exploration is driven by this belief in a brighter tomorrow. By maintaining a positive attitude, you can inspire yourself and others, fostering a productive and innovative environment. 5. Work like hell. I mean, you just have to put in 80 to 100-hour weeks every week. This improves the odds of success. Musk's advice to work intensely reflects his belief in the power of hard work and dedication. Putting in long hours is not just about the quantity of work, but also about the quality and focus during those hours. This level of commitment allows you to make significant progress, solve problems faster, and outpace competitors. While this approach may not be sustainable for everyone, it highlights the importance of dedication and effort in achieving ambitious goals. Musk's relentless work ethic has been a driving force behind his ability to lead multiple high-impact projects simultaneously. 4. Failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough. This quote underscores the importance of embracing failure as a part of the innovation process. According to Musk, avoiding failure means playing it safe and not pushing the boundaries of what is possible. True innovation involves experimentation, risk-taking, and learning from mistakes. By accepting failure as a potential outcome, you create an environment where bold ideas can flourish. This mindset encourages creative problem-solving and fosters resilience. Musk's experiences with SpaceX and Tesla, where early failures eventually led to significant breakthroughs, illustrate the value of this approach. 3. I think it is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. Elon Musk believes that greatness is a choice, accessible to anyone willing to put in the effort. This quote encourages individuals to step out of their comfort zones and strive for excellence. By continuously improving and challenging themselves, ordinary people can achieve extraordinary feats. This mindset fosters a growth-oriented approach, where individuals focus on learning, adapting, and evolving. Musk's own journey from a regular entrepreneur to a pioneer in multiple industries demonstrates that with the right mindset, dedication, and hard work, anyone can achieve extraordinary success. 2. When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. This quote highlights the importance of passion and conviction in pursuing goals. When you truly believe in the significance of your mission, you are more likely to take risks and face challenges head-on, regardless of the likelihood of success. This mindset encourages you to focus on the end goal rather than the difficulties along the way. Elon Musk's ventures, such as sending rockets to Mars and revolutionizing the electric car industry, exemplify this principle. Despite the initial skepticism and high failure rates, his unwavering commitment to these important causes has led to remarkable advancements. 1. Persistence is very important. You should not give up unless you are forced to give up. Persistence is crucial in achieving success because it allows you to overcome challenges and setbacks. Elon Musk emphasizes that you should only give up when there is absolutely no other option left. This mindset helps you push through difficult times and stay focused on your goals. By maintaining persistence, you build resilience, learn from failures, and improve your skills. This relentless determination often differentiates successful individuals from those who give up too soon. Musk's own journey with SpaceX and Tesla showcases how persistence can lead to groundbreaking achievements despite numerous obstacles. If you found these insights from Elon Musk inspiring and want to learn more about how to transform your mindset and achieve extraordinary success, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share this video with friends who need a boost of motivation, and leave a comment below with your favorite Elon Musk quote. Let's build a community of future visionaries together.